We're here today to bury a dog.
And there's a lizard.
Is it dead?
It's dead as a doornail, dead.
Okay.
It's underneath the mattress, so no animal would drag it off.
This is a really easy to picture.
Hey, Jimbo.
Just now getting somebody to help you, huh? Bless your heart, baby. I'm mad at your sister for putting you through this.
Yeah.
She's in no condition to have to deal with this shit right now. Hey, brother, I love you, man.
Good to see you. I'm making
I'm sorry, baby.
It's fine, Jimbo.
Man. It's a nightmare digging here.
There's no bleach.
Yeah, there's bleach in the car. There's a brand new bottle of bleach.
Gotta be a better spot.
It should either be in the very back or in the bucket.
What do you think they could have used to poison the dog?
It wasn't poison, it should have eaten it.
I don't want to smell it.
Voyeur, but not full on like participant. You know? I want to see, but I don't want to smell. I want to touch, but I don't want to feel.
Where am I going? Fuck it, something. Do you have any ideas of diseases and shit on that?
Dude, I worked in a vet center, man. I used to clean up parvo explosions and shit with my hands, like.
Trying to find the end area.
You're just in time, Mama.
Which part?
Pulling the dead dog in there. The bloated.
Carcass! Yeah! And a blanket, that's good. Feet. In the hole. Ooh, yeah, it does. Comet. Sprinkle that. No.
Oh, I got this covering up.
That's like a real bad part.
Yeah.
Boy.
Oh. Dude, drag that mattress now. Over on that burn pile over there so you can burn it.
Yeah. Those logs right there that are all
Let's get it on video. Oh, God.
Yeah. The logs that are on
Get all the dirt so when it washes down.
Yeah, that's what he said. Get people from our part of it. Cool.
That's how you make sure all the nasty mucus went back into the cleanable shit.